What's up guys, welcome to SK Defense TV. Today I am going to show now top 15 countries by total aircraft strength in the world. Okay friends, number 15, United Kingdom, total aircraft strength 811. Number 14, Italy, total aircraft strength 831. Number 13, Taiwan, total aircraft strength 837. Number 12, Saudi Arabia, total aircraft strength 848. Number 11, North Korea, total aircraft strength 949. Number 10, Turkey, total aircraft strength 1067. Number 9, Egypt, total aircraft strength 1092. Number 8, France, total aircraft strength 1248. Number 7, Pakistan, total aircraft strength 1342. Number 6, Japan, total aircraft strength 1572. Number 5, South Korea, total aircraft strength 1614. Number 4, India, total aircraft strength 2082. Number 3, China, total aircraft strength 3187. Number 2, Russia, total aircraft strength 4078. Number 1, United States, total aircraft strength 13,398. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.